And that, my friends, is how you make some buffalo Sticken wings. I bet you're wondering how we got to this point. Let's start at the beginning. Maybe I should buy a grill. Maybe that's a little too far back. Let's fast forward a little bit. And welcome back. This is Brandon from Sing Second College Football Podcast with another tailgating video. One thing that I hate making, two things that I hate making more than anything, is somebody who likes to cook on the grill. I hate making hot dogs. Not to say that it's the worst food ever. I like eating a hot dog, but I think they're boring to make. I hate grilling chicken. It's boring. It is boring. Every time somebody asks me to make chicken, I think, wow, why don't you ask Gene Simmons to just do jumping jacks? Why don't you just ask Bob Ross to paint a desert? You're taking away my artistry. With that being said, today we are grilling chicken, but with a twist. We're going to making chicken on a stick. We're using these skewers, these wooden skewers. I recommend if you're gonna grill these, you put them on some water, let them soak it in so they don't totally burn when you're using them to pick up your food. And this recipe, this is the first time I've ever tried it. So this is just off the cuff. We're on the fly. We're winging it. Here's what we do. So we got some chicken breasts right here. All right. These have been thawing out for a little while. Step one, salt and pepper. Gonna put a little salt and pepper on these things. I'm gonna put it on both sides. And I'm gonna let that set there for a bit. Then I'm gonna start the grill. I'm going on the old charcoal. And it is gonna be at about 350-ish, 350 or so degrees. And I'm gonna have these until they are about 165 degrees done. Time for some sauce. I've used this before in one of our other videos, this rib rack barbecue sauce. This is gonna go on like 2 of the chicken breasts that I'm gonna put on the skewer. For the wing sauce, I want to do a little bit something extra. I don't want to just put the franks on there. It might be a little bit too spicy in that case. We don't want that. A little bit of Goldilocks. Not too much, not too little. Just right. I have, because this is only going to go on one of the chicken breasts, I don't know if this will be too much or not. This is 1/2 of a cup. I'm going to put it in there. In this mixing bowl. Little shout out to where I got my undergrad degree, Shattern State College. Go Eagles, go Eagles. All right. I also have here what appears to be about 1/4 of a cup of butter. So I'm going to carefully put that in. I don't know if this needs Worcestershire sauce or not, but you know that I like Worcestershire sauce. Put in about that much in there. It's not going to hurt it. It's not going to hurt it. It can only help it. All right, I have a little bit of honey here. I'm going to put in a little bit of this and see how it goes. Not a lot. Just like, boom, a little swirl. Garlic salt. Sprinkle some garlic salt in there. Just a little bit of garlic salt. Smells good. And this zesty Italian dressing. Like a splash in there. So just seal salt in there. And a little bit more pepper. It would probably be good if I heated this up in the microwave and soften that butter so I could stir this up. And when that chicken is done, We'll go check it here in a little bit, and I'm going to cut it up into pieces and then put them each in their respective sauces. All right, I think our chicken is about done. In the words of the WWE Street Profits, we want the smoke. All right, so chicken's done. I'm going to take these and put them on this plate, and we'll bring them inside. Chicken is off the grill. Smells good. It's good. It's good. Cut it up into pieces, and now we're ready to put it into the sauce. As mentioned before, we're making two kinds. We're making kind of more of a regular, kind of thick, sweet type of barbecue sauce over here, and then the other is going to be buffalo wings. So we'll kind of cover these, covers them up, and then I'm going to let it set for a little while. And for the buffalo, give me a home where the buffaloes roam. And the chicken's in the sauce. And now we are going to let that kind of set for a little bit. And here shortly, we will put them on the skewer. Word of caution, when using the buffalo sauce, you might want to change up your apparel. White, I would say, is off limits. You'll never be able to wear it again. Start thinking of teams like Clemson, Texas, Oklahoma State. Tennessee, I don't know if it's orange enough to cover up the buffalo. Choose your team apparel carefully, and especially in the case of buffalo wing sauce, wear the home colors, stay away from the away. Joust. So I'm going to start putting these on the skewer. Friggin' messy. There we have the regular kind of sauced chicken on a stick. Stick chicken. Buffalo stickin'. That's what these are. Buffalo stickins. Finger sticking good. The grill's still going as it was before. And now, as careful as I can, I'm going to put these buffalo stickins on this foil on the top part of the grill, just to kind of let the sauce tighten and to heat them up with that sauce on. And that, my friends, is how you make some buffalo stickin' wings. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to listen to Seeing Second College Football Podcast. Listen to my friends Danny, Andy, and Kyle and myself shoot the breeze, talk some college football, and give each other a hard time. A lot of past episodes for some of you newbies to catch in on, and send us messages on our Seeing Second College Football Podcast Facebook page, our Instagram, and Twitter. All those places for you to get a hold of us. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.